Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I suggest you hit that subscribe button because I will be coming to you with new content daily. Now, today our video is about what qualifications you should ask of your owner-operators before you decide to officially do business with them. If your owner-operators do not meet these minimum requirements, it's going to be very hard for you to keep them booked and busy. And instead of it looking like a them thing, it's going to look like a you thing. So let's make our life and our jobs a little easier by having these bare minimum qualifications that we ask of them. So the first thing I would suggest you require is a motor carrier number. So while that won't make it impossible for you to book them, it will make it very hard, and you don't want to have to deal with that. Next, require an active authority. They also need to have a DOT number. Next, I would suggest you get a signed W-9 from them because you will need that on a regular basis. You need to require a CDL for them. And last but not least, proof of insurance. Now, when it comes to proof of insurance, keep in mind that most companies, especially the ones that are actually paying a decent amount for these loads, they require a minimum of $1 million in liability and $100,000 in cargo. If your owner-operator isn't at least coming in the door with that, you're making your life 10 times harder, and you just don't want to do it. So I suggest you have them meet these minimum requirements, and you should not have a problem keeping them booked and busy. I'll see you next time. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to continue to educate yourself on all things logistics, please like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, with all things logistics, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. I'll see you next time.